And when it comes to encountering or having access or receiving the resurrection power, there are requirements that must be met. Number one requirement is that you must be born again. You must be what? Born again. To be born again means to become a child of God. To be born again means to become a member of God's family. You cannot be born again and be tossed to and fro by the devil. When you become born again, you have been initiated into the family of power. When you become born again, you have launched yourself into a realm and dimensions where Satan cannot withstand you. So being born again qualifies you to have access to the resurrection power.